Do you have hollowing in your temples? Well, temple filler is a great way to help fill them up. And it really can help lift your eyes. If you already have great cheeks, but you still want a little bit more, temple filler is a great option. And you can see the temple just filling right up. And there's a couple options for different fillers that we can use there. Currently we're using Bellingham. We can also use Radiesse, and we can do it with the needle. We can also do it with a cannula. So there's a few different techniques. Afterwards, she might have some bruising. Her jaw will probably feel a little bit sore, but that goes away in 2 or 3 days. But as you age, they do tend to get more hollow, and as you lose weight, they get more hollow also. And we don't want to look any older than we are, so we'll fill those babies up. So if you want to find out more about temple filler or any of the procedures we do at RejuvenationMD, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and on our website at RejuvenationMDmedspa.com. Bye, Deb.